Okay, everyone see that?
Yes.
Okay, so these two are not a abnormal condition. Okay, so our power system protection scheme have ability to discriminate between the abnormal condition and normal condition. So this is called as a discrimination. And selectivity means power system protection scheme have ability to disconnect only the faulty part. That is called as a selective part, selectivity. And discrimination means the power system protection should have ability to discrimination between the abnormal condition and normal condition. Okay, so this is the first point. First quality. Second quality, that is called as a reliability. Now, this is very in general terms, reliability. But we know that reliability means we are totally depends on that. We are completely depending on the whatever the protective system we have, right? So, uh, reliability means our protective systems will ensure us that it will be give 100% protections, 100% protections for in any condition, right? So this is called as a reliability, and generally the reliability can be achieved by providing the backup protections. So most of the power system protections are equipped with the backup protections, right? And then we can obtaining the surety about this 100%. Okay. Now third point is the sensitivity. Now what do we mean by the sensitivity? Our power system protections have very much sensitive. Suppose I can say that if there is a small change small to small change can also be identified by the protective systems, right? Suppose I can say that we are designing the overcurrent relay which have the pickup value of current is 100 ampere. મારી પાસે એક ઓવરકરન્ટ રિલે છે એની પિકઅપ વેલ્યુ 100 એમ્પિયર છે. પિકઅપ વેલ્યુ મીન્સ એનો મતલબ શું થાય કે મને મારો રિલેમાંથી પાસ થતો કરંટ અથવા તો સિસ્ટમમાંથી પાસ થતો કરંટ જ્યારે 100 એમ્પિયર થાય ત્યારે મારો રિલે ઓપરેટ થવાનું ચાલુ થશે, right? It start to pick up, right? Okay, so sensitivity means what? That if the current is reached at 100.0001 ampere, at this value of current also our protective relay will be start to pick. समझाइए बधाने, समझाइए बधाने.
Yes, sir.
It means it must operate above pickup value. So then we can say that it is the sensitivity of the protective schemes, as high sensitive as possible. Okay, it means pickup value કરતા નાનામાં નાનો ચેન્જ પણ હોય, આટલા એમ્પિયર નો ચેન્જ પણ હોય, so protective system can be sense that change. Then we can say that our protective system is too much sensitive, right? So the third requirement is called as a sensitivity, right? Fourth requirement is called as a stability. Fourth requirement is called as a stability. So I can say the one example that this is generator, transformers. Again, there is a transmission line, transformer, this and this is load. Right. Suppose fault will be here. Right. So fault happening in the transmission line, generator providing other, so the fault is here. So whatever the fault current, that will be fulfilled by this generator. Okay. And if this condition is remains present in the system for a long time, then it will be damage the generator as well as these transformers, right? And if the generator is damaged, what happening? All the generator in the power systems are interconnected, right? So if one generator is become collapse, result into the another, so that will result into the final blackout, right? Final blackout. All the generators are become tripped out one by one, right? So to avoid that condition, what we are, and that will be producing the issue of stability. Okay, so it is possible to isolate that part, so it cannot, the fault is not reach up to the generator, and our stability should be maintained, right? So that is one another quality, essential quality of the protective schemes, that it should be stable, right? So if and when the stability can be obtained, or I can say that maintained, suppose fault is here, one circuit breaker is there, so circuit breaker will trip this circuit breaker, relay will trip this circuit breaker. Suppose this circuit breaker is fail, then after some time, whatever the circuit breaker provided here, it will be tripped. Otherwise, this generator will be collapsed. Simultaneously, one another generator will be collapsed. So in the interconnected systems, one by one, the generator will be collapsed, and there is a issue of the stability will be there. Okay. Now next point is the fast operation. Once again, reliability, stability, only and only possible with the help of fast operation. Our protective systems must be protect or must be isolate the faulty part as fast as possible. Right? So that is again one another essential condition. Right? Next is the adequateness. Protective system must be adequate. Adequate means what? How we are deciding this factor? How we are deciding these factors? On the basis of cost of machine, location of machine, right? Rating of machine, and importance of machines. Our protective system must be adequate. Adequate means what? Suppose I am using one machine and the importance of this machine is very, very less. Still we are providing very costly protections for this machine. Then I can say that these protective schemes are not adequate. Right? समझाइए बताने. Right? અને સપોઝ આપણે એમ કહીએ કે my generator is there. Generator is very important device in the system, right? Cost is very high. Cost of the generation is also very high. Rating of the generator is also very high. Importance of the generator is also very high. And if still we are providing very less protection, then we can say that our protective system is not adequate, right? એટલે એનો મતલબ શું થાય કે depending on the cost of the machine, depending on the importance of the machine, depending on the location of the machine, rating of the machine, we are providing some adequate amount of the protections to that machine or that equipment. That is called as the adequateness, right? So our protective system must be adequate, right? Next point is the simplicity. So we can say that again, the protective systems is as simple as possible. So easy to maintain and handle. Easy to maintain and handle. We can easily handle our protective system and easily maintain our protective system. So this is came under the classification of simplicity. So this is one another quality of the protective system, require quality, right? And we know that simpler the systems, one thumb rule is there: simpler the system, higher the reliability, greater the reliability. જેટલી તમારી સિમ્પલ સિસ્ટમ હશે એટલી જ તમારી રિલાયબિલિટી વધારે હશે, right? So simplicity is also one quality factors which is required for the protections. And last but not least, that is the economy. The one standard rule is there: the protection cost not increase beyond 5% of the total cost. Right? So the overall cost of the protective system must not be increased beyond 5%. Then and then we can say that our protective system is become economical, right? And as we are living in the India is very I can say that very nice country, and in which this factor is very important, economy, right? So our protective system is as economical as possible, and the cost of the protective systems not beyond the 5% of the total cost of the installation, right? So that is all about the essential quantities of the protective systems. So once again we are summarize these things, that what are the essential quantities of the protections. So selectivity means only the faulty part should be disconnected from the system. Then the discrimination, power system protections have ability to discriminate between the normal conditions and abnormal condition. Then there is a reliability, so it will ensure that our protective system will be operated for the 110% in any condition, right? Then there is a sensitivity: any small change or any small disturbances into the system that can be sensed by our protective system, so that is called as sensitivity. Next is the stability. So we must isolate the faulty part, and if our faulty part will be failed to isolate by this circuit breaker, then there is some backup circuit breaker of the generator is there, it will provide it, so it will be avoiding avoid the mass tripping of the interconnected generator, and that will obtaining the higher stability. Then fast in operation, as fast as possible. Then adequateness, so proper cost is allotted for the proper machine depending on the cost, location, importance and rating of the circuit breaker or any machine. Simplicity, as simple as possible so we can easily maintain and handle that systems. And last is the economical, right? So I think everyone's are understand whatever we are discussing today. We are discussing 2 points. First point is the component of the protective systems, and second point, that is the essential quantity of the protective system. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so if you have any query, then you can personally uh, give me the message on the WhatsApp group. So I will solve your query. Okay, thank you very much. So tomorrow the first lecture will be there. So we will meet again tomorrow. First lecture.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much. So here we are ended this meeting.